When day trading, what are the three criteria that I look for? Number one, volume. You see SYPR had 130 million in volume. That is a lot of volume, and if you look at the chart today, it actually ran from around 350 all the way up to 582. So my second criteria is float. If you look at SYPR, the amount of shares that is out there, there's around 21 million and a half shares available. So I like stocks with lower floats. Reason why is because low float is your supply. You get a bunch of demand for a low supply stock, then you get nice spikes like this. Now my third criteria is some type of catalyst, usually some type of good PR. So 422.21, they win contract for deep space program. I would say that's a pretty good catalyst. So on SYPR, we have all three criteria. We have the volume, the low float, and the catalyst, the PR.